शाहजहां के सुनहरे काल में मुगल सल्तनत अपनी बुलंदियों पर थी। मुगलाई ठाट उनकी शान केवल उनकी बनाए पोशाकों और इमारतों से ही नहीं बल्कि उनकी शाही पकवानों में भी एक खास अंदाज नजर आता है।
और इन्हीं शाही पकवानों का जिक्र नेमतनामा नाम की किताब में किया गया है।
उसी किताब के सुनहरे पन्नों में से आज हम आपके लिए एक जायकेदार और लजीज पकवान पेश करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है मुर्ग मुतंजर।
The Heritage Mela is a Mela for which the preparation begins almost 7 to 8 months prior to the Mela. It's basically a program which is organized under the aegis of the DPS Society. But the DPS Society gives the school the complete freedom to conceive the events that are going to be a part of the Heritage Mela. We always make sure that there's one event which involves all the Delhi public schools all over the country.
It's Christmas Eve, we've got this carnival going and the spirits are soaring and we are really happy to see all of you here together.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, it was gold.
Very well done.
Santa gives gifts to everyone and makes them happy. But
we now invite Team 19 presenting Nagaland.
सब देश जयगामी घोर फैलाता हूँ उजाला जिस धरा पर, प्रार्थनाओं की स्वर से गूंज उठी जो पावन भूमि, मैं उस आध्यात्मिक भूमि की शान हूँ, पूरब की पहचान हूँ। हाँ हाँ, मैं आसाम हूँ, मैं आसाम हूँ। भारत के गुलशन की जान है ये आसाम है, पूरब की ये दहलीज कितनी सुंदर है ये दुनिया। मोर अखोम ईमान दुनिया, मोर अखोम ईमान दुनिया।
राजा भगवान श्री जगन्नाथ पुरी का जगन्नाथ मंदिर 4 धामों में से एक है। इस मंदिर में बाहरी स्त्रियां अपने गीत और नृत्य से भगवान को खिलाती थी। यही नृत्य परिष्कृत होकर आधुनिक काल में बन गया हमारा ओडिसी नृत्य। गोटी बुआ भी इसी मंदिर संस्कृति का हिस्सा है।
जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे।
जगन्नाथ के भात को जगत पसारे हाथ। इस मंदिर की विशाल रसोई में बनने वाला महाप्रसाद यहाँ आए सभी भक्तों को तृप्त कर देता है। यहाँ होने वाली रथ यात्रा है। कहते हैं कि जगन्नाथ स्वामी की रथ यात्रा का पुण्य 100 यज्ञों के बराबर होता है, तो मैं भी चला इसका हिस्सा बनने। अरे हो भक्तों! सभी भक्त सुदूर प्रांतों से आते हैं इस विशेष उत्सव का हिस्सा बनने के लिए। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, जगन्नाथ स्वामी अपने बड़े भाई बलराम और छोटे हैं जगन्नाथ स्वामी अपने बड़े भाई बलराम और छोटी बहन सुभद्रा के साथ गुंडीचा मंदिर
భూమి పొరల నుంచి భూలోకమచ్చింది, తెల తెల్ల మబ్బుల్లా తేలాడుతుంటాది. అగ్గి మంటల్లోన భగభగా మండుద్ది, గాలి సప్పుల్లోన గలగల నవ్వుద్ది. ప్రకృతి అంటేనే బతుకమ్మ, శ్రమజీవి చెమటల్లో బతుకమ్మ, ఈ మట్టి వాసన నిండా బతుకమ్మ, తెలంగాణ జాతి ఆత్మార బతుకమ్మ. మాకు బతుకునిచ్చే మా అవ్వార బతుకమ్మ, మా పిడికిట్ల వరి బువ్వ మెతుకూర బతుకమ్మ.
गणेश उत्सव महाराष्ट्र का विशेष त्योहार है। महाराष्ट्र के एकता और अखंडता के लिए लोकमान्य तिलक ने इस उत्सव को प्रचलित किया था।
I address you reluctantly, no intention of doing it. That said, we saw today a flavor of what we think India is all about. Proto-history, history, mythology, interwoven into events and presented before you as a spectacle of the great diversity we have.
Various schools and the shows they put up, as well as the art gallery, high quality performance by the schools, and let the best school win.
We thank all the student and teacher escorts from various participating Delhi public schools for their enthusiasm and commitment to this event.
Our gratitude to the press and the parents who are here today.
Today was the Mati Pokare event, and I had the privilege of viewing all of the performances. So it was very enriching and I learned a lot about my country.
It was very enlightening to know about how many different types of monuments are there here and the science that was made into using them. Like science that was not even predictable for that time. On a whole, this entire event, the Itihas Ki Jharoke, was one of my favorite events of the year. It was so enriching to learn about the history of our nation.
It was a pleasure working so closely with students and teachers from all across.
Noida began in 1982, and since the beginning we are committed to the concept of holistic education. We are not only excelling in scholastic areas but also in co-scholastic areas, and we give exposure to our students to various activities which help them to develop their personalities. In fact, what we feel very strongly is that the school should provide platform for theatre, for music, for dance, and once children get exposed to these activities, they excel and they experience and they excel, and they later on can also take up these areas as their serious profession. I say it with a lot of pride that DPS Noida has done this type of Mela, the Heritage Mela we call it, for the 7th time in succession. And it is a strong endorsement of what we call Indian culture. We want our children to understand the beauty of Indian culture, experience it by participating in these activities, and the concept of the whole Mela is woven around the concept of Indian culture and heritage. So it's a beautiful experience, and this is our small input towards strengthening of Indian culture and heritage, and we are very, very proud of it.